guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So once again I'm present with another latest update videos about Theta Network, guys. What's going on in Theta? What's the price changes? Okay, let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you're new on my channel or if you don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, so kindly I request all of you to subscribe now our channel for more news and update videos. Other side, guys, furthermore, if we talk about the currently live and latest price of Theta Network in the market, so you can see a 6.31 USD dollar. That is the currently live and latest price of Theta Network in the market. And you know what, the good news for all Theta Network is that last 1 hour, last 1 day, changes of Theta Network is completely positive. That's really good news. You know what, I found Theta Network again positive after 4 to 3 months. After 4 to 3 months I found Theta Network positive, guys. That's too bad. Let me show you more about Theta Network. Let's see the price chart and let's study about Theta Network. You can see here, guys, obviously you can see here, just look the previous on 10th 11 October the price dumps here. Now again you can see here, as I told you guys, that after falls there is a jump and a crap too, guys. So now the price again is in the pumping mode. Just hold, guys. Anyways, if we talk about the update of last 7 days, so the update is, you can see here, -5% the price dump. Price changes is negative. But you know what, I believe that very soon Theta Network will recover these lows, will recover these negative changes, guys, because in the latest situation, as I show you guys, that now they are in the pumping mode, so very soon they recover these changes. But you have to hold, guys. Other side, if you decide to sell, so possibilities that in the future the price of Theta will dump. So just hold, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. If you are new on my channel, so subscribe now for more videos. Thanks for watching.